A prisoner of war is a man who tries to kill you and fails, then asks you not to kill him. One does not leave a convivial party before closing time. In the course of my life, I have often had to eat my words, and I must confess that I have always found it a wholesome diet. I like pigs. Dogs look up to us. Cats look down on us. Pigs treat us as equals. Nothing in life is so exhilarating as to be shot at without result. If we open a quarrel between the past and the present, we shall find that we have lost the future. It is a mistake to try to look too far ahead. The chain of destiny can only be grasped, one link at a time. What is adequacy? Adequacy is no standard at all. Every morn brought forth a noble chance, and every chance brought forth a noble night. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. We can always count on the Americans to do the right thing, after they have exhausted all the other possibilities. Kites rise highest against the wind, not with it. It's not enough that we do our best, sometimes we have to do what's required. The first quality needed is audacity. To improve is to change, so to be perfect is to change often. When the eagles are silent, the parrots begin to jabber. All the greatest things are simple, and many can be expressed in a single word: freedom, justice, honor, duty, mercy, and hope. Continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking our potential. It is a good thing for an uneducated man to read books of quotations. War is very cruel. It goes on for so long. All wisdom is not new wisdom. It is the time to dare and endure. Give us the tools and we will finish the job. I never take pleasure in human woe. Do you know why the nose of the bulldog is sloped backward? So it can keep on breathing without ever letting go. I am easily satisfied with the very best. To improve is to change, to be perfect is to change often. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Personally, I'm always ready to learn, although I do not always like being taught. In war, it does not matter who is right, but who is left. Never yield to force. Never yield to the apparently overwhelming might of the enemy. Although prepared for martyrdom, I preferred that it be postponed. In finance, everything that is agreeable is unsound and everything that is sound is disagreeable. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak, it's also what it takes to sit down and listen. History will be kind to me for I intend to write it. I'm just preparing my impromptu remarks. I have never developed indigestion from eating my words. There are a terrible lot of lies going about the world, and the worst of it is that half of them are true. If you're going through hell, keep going. Don't interrupt me while I'm interrupting. In the course of my life, I have often had to eat my words, and I must confess that I have always found it a wholesome diet. He has all of the virtues I dislike and none of the vices I admire. Never hold discussions with the monkey when the organ grinder is in the room. All I can say is that I have taken more out of alcohol than alcohol has taken out of me. A good speech should be like a woman's skirt, long enough to cover the subject and short enough to create interest. There is no such thing as public opinion. There is only published opinion.